I say something?
Sure, sir.
And this is the only time I can say this, you're very pretty. And I'm just gonna leave it at that, and I'm done. I'm not saying it again.
We're in Wyandotte, Michigan for a bond violation hearing. 30-year-old Anthony Carmona has been charged with disorderly conduct. 3 months earlier, Carmona was arrested for being intoxicated in public. When he appeared at his arraignment before Judge Elizabeth DeSanto, his mood was decidedly friendly.
Yeah, can I say something?
Sure, sir.
And this is the only time I can say this, you're very pretty. And I'm just gonna leave it at that, and I'm done. I'm not saying it again.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Why did I say that? Okay, all right.
That's not going to affect your bond determination, I can tell you
Oh,
that.
I just need you to know that truth. That's all.
Okay.
They can't take me to jail for that one, because that's the truth, baby. I'm held under oath.
Carmona was released on $2,500 bond and ordered to wear an alcohol tether and regularly report for drug and alcohol testing. But when he missed a few tests and failed another one, both violations of his bond, he was ordered to reappear before Judge DeSanto to enter a plea. Carmona appears remotely, and he's represented by attorney Christopher Schemke. And today, there's no flirting or playful chit-chat.
As to the allegation that you tested positive for marijuana, as well as failed to appear for testing in violation of this court's bond conditions, how do you plead?
Guilty.
The court will accept your plea. Counsel, why should I not revoke your client's bond and have him remanded to jail until his next court date?
He had used marijuana, but is not currently using marijuana. As to the missed court dates, unfortunately, Mr. Carmona did suffer an extreme loss. He was seeing someone, he was in a romantic relationship, and that person had an overdose and passed away. It was a challenging period of time. It still is.
And sir, why didn't you appear for the testing?
I was actually trying to go to that hospital the next day. My main focus was seeing her. That day, I can say I wasn't thinking clearly.
Here's what the court's going to do. The court's going to indicate 10 days jail for your bond violation.
In Wayne County?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am,
County.
please no, please. I can't. I literally, please no, please. I will do anything, anything. No.
What you're going to do is you're going to be reporting to Wayne County Jail tonight at 6 o'clock.
No, please. Judge DeSantis, please. I'll do anything. They're gonna kill me in there. If I'm being honest with you, it gives me suicidal thoughts.
Given his state of mind, Judge DeSanto decides to keep Carmona on the call while police try and determine his location.
Sir, you're indicating that you need some mental health treatment. So where is it that you're at?
I'm not gonna tell you where I am.
Why not?
Because you guys are gonna come get me and throw me in jail. I just told you I can't go.
I'm making sure that you are safe and that you're not harming yourself.
For the next 3 hours, Judge DeSanto keeps Carmona occupied, while her other cases are forced to wait.
You act like I'm some crazy criminal. I got drunk one night. Have you never gotten drunk? You know what's really funny is that Wyandotte held the Guinness Book of World Records for a while for the most bars and churches per capita. There will be a suicide on your hands if you cannot help me here.
Sir, I'm trying to help you.
Eventually, police figure out Carmona's at a nearby hotel and appear outside his door.
No way.
Really? Oh my God.
What's that?
I knew this was gonna happen, man. You guys are really locking me up.
I said you're okay.
I'm fine.
I said some questionable stuff I was doing.
Guys, please. No, I'm good.
I'm not gonna do that. Do you still need us on here, ma'am?
No, that's okay.
Police take Carmona into custody and bring him to a mental health facility for evaluation. 7 days later, he appeared again before Judge DeSanto to hear his sentence.
How are you doing?
Well, better.
Good. So you spent a few days in treatment, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And then you were given some medications?
Yes,
And are you taking those medications?
appropriately.
Okay. I'm encouraged to see that you seem to be taking your mental health seriously at this point.
Yes.
The judge sentenced Carmona to 12 months probation, which included mental health counseling and continued drug and alcohol testing. As for the 10 days in jail for violating his bond, he received credit for the 7 days he spent in treatment.
Thank you, Judge.
The remaining 3 days have been suspended by the court, pending Carmona's successful completion of probation.